I chopped my hair when we are at Charlie's 21st birthday. Come on. Have you made it once? Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is like gonna be the end of the vlog because I'm posting this tomorrow, but I'm just doing an intro. So, hey, yes, chopped all my hair off. If you didn't watch my last... Hi. Today is Mother's Day. Gaia made me the cutest card. So I'm gonna get ready. I was thinking that we can chit chat while I get ready, but it's no promises. It's been crazy unpacking. I'm gonna show you guys around later, like everything that we've done, how far we've gotten, like so far. This is my office. We're gonna go to our friend's store for like a jazz night thing. I'm gonna bring Gaia. And yeah, so I don't know if I need a coffee first. Like I need a coffee. I don't even know what I want to say right now. I'll see you guys in a bit.
But also shout out to my husband.
Oh, I do have a clip here. How many cups do you need? All of them? All the water. Make sure you hold on tight. Gaia, can you say wish me luck?
Fine.
Hey guys, I'm Alex. Obviously.
Hey guys, you can do whatever you want in that house. As long as you don't leave them.
This is amazing.
Right? It's awesome. The chef did a special. Hi. Enjoy.
Where you want?
No. Set up.
She said she wants to play outside. We're cutting Gaia's hair. She's covered in tattoos and she has a bruise on her nose because she fell on the stairs. Yeah, but now I put little cute grippies on the stairs so she doesn't slip again.
Yeah.
We didn't see what happened the first time, and then I saw it with my eyes the second time it happened.
Yeah.
Oh, and what are you wearing? You're wearing your Barbie outfit with... Oh, yeah. Her frozen tattoos. She was very excited about what we did yesterday. Good. So, what's been new, Gaia? What did we do today? Yeah, we got Barbie fashion designer Play-Doh. I know our Barbie Dreamhouse isn't so Barbie Dreamhouse yet, but we're working on it. We're about to paint stuff pink. Are you tired, girl? I was thinking one day we should do the Barbie hairstyle where she has the braid.
No.
No, you don't like that? It's kind of like roomy. And you're roomy. And I'm Mira. I thought it was Mira. Because Mira's the sassy one. And Olaf is Leo. No?
He's
Sven. I'm determined to figure out cable management. It's like, I don't know. I don't know what the answer is. There's really not. Like, all the solutions I've tried and it's just not enough. So I think I need like a whole electronics closet, which is fine. We're making room. I don't know. It's like, I don't need USB. I don't need it, right? But like sometimes you do, or sometimes it's the only one you can find, or I don't know. What do you do with these? Recycle them? Or where do I go recycle these? But then it's like, oh, that's a rare one. You know, that's a different kind. Maybe you'll need that. 2 of them? Okay, well, so that's the same kind. Those can go together. Love her. Oh, this is my charger. Found it. Okay, well, yeah, so this is what I'm doing. Update vlog. This is my day in the life. It's taking so long to unpack. Yeah, so it's really exciting, really fun. Hello. Well, I got these little ties. So we're putting the green because it's my least favorite color of the pack. So we're like, it's just both not necessary, really. That one and this, it's not useful, but you know, all together again. Hey guys, finally got ready today. Gaia's doing her makeup as always because I was just doing my makeup. Ooh, not in your mouth, sparkly. I can show you guys around and update you on everything that we've done and what we're gonna do. Today, I think it's time to make some things pink. There's been a lot of time that we've been like organizing stuff and organizing and all that, and so it hasn't really turned into our Barbie Dreamhouse quite yet. But once we start painting, it'll be good. Okay, so let me show you what we have so far. So beaded door frame, this is Leo Lane. And then we have this contact paper, this pink contact paper, and then these Steele and stick backsplashes. And then the drawers are this cute, like, teal aqua color. So such a vibe. I got this runner, which is it's kind of small. I wanted one for the kitchen and in here, and this was too big for the kitchen, so I put it in here, and then it was too small. So we're gonna have to finish that. You still going with the lip gloss? Then these, on Amazon, I was able to make these custom bench cushions. So I got 3 of them because I am going to order an IKEA thing, a bench that these are going to go on. I haven't yet. Why? I don't know. When I was trying to check out on my order, it wouldn't let me check out unless I took those out of my cart. So I put this corner closet in so that I could have as much storage as possible here, and it like kind of lines up pretty exactly. Then I was going to do the benches across here, you know. And then here there are IKEA wardrobes with doors. So we need to get those installed, and then that's where like all the extra storage stuff will go. This little island thing is everything. I'm so obsessed. This has like jewelry. There's a Gaia shoe. I just love it. I've always wanted one of these. I'm gonna take the jewelry out of there, and then I have belts, and then on the other side is like all sunglasses. Whee! Yeah, so there's just a lot going on, huh? Okay, so this is what else we have. We were gonna paint this island thing pink, but this is like velvet hot pink peel and stick. So I got 2 rolls of this. I was thinking one, this might be just the easiest way to cover this island. We're gonna get more rolls of the contact paper to finish the countertops. Yeah, look at this. Where should we put this one? I think we should do it in this doorway right here. No? No? But what's cool with this one is that it says that in this track, like, you can open it up and put more strips of beads in it to like make it fuller. But we just have this right now. Yes, babe. Oh, Gaia! Come out! Please be gentle. Very soft and gentle, please. I'm gonna break it. Oh my gosh. Okay, where can I hang this now? What is that?
Mommy, Daddy's on you. Mommy, Daddy's on you. Daddy's on you.
I want to buy a bunch of peel and stick contact paper kind of stuff and just make everything pink, whatever can be pink. And I'm either gonna do one, which I think would be cute, especially for like outfit pics. Fits perfect underneath there, so I can kind of just go across, boom, boom, which also works for pics in here, pics in there. Yeah, okay, both work. So, hi. And then we have these are the paint colors. Sweet chrysanthemum. Oh, little princess. Oh, I think the darker one that we got is not up here. But then there's this green aqua chrysanthemum one. And then this is like an even more hot pink. It's called Diva Glam. Yes, Diva Glam. I found old meta glasses. These are like called the Stories. These were, I think, like this has to be like the first edition or something. So they're not as high tech as the new ones, which I would really love, but I found these in the move and I think it's pretty cute. These ones, like, it only records in like square. Here, watch. Hey guys, it's Amanda. What's going on? Filming with my glasses. And it only records for like 60 seconds max. They're so cute. Everything is new. There's lots of new. And things have just been so crazy, so it's like I've been trying for so long to be able to find the time to like update you guys on everything. But you know how it is. And you know, I thought Gaia would be at school today, but she has a cough. And it just that's how life goes. Also, these outside cushions I got. It's so cute. I got everything like on Amazon, so I will link my Amazon storefront if you want to see everything I bought. I think that's enough of an update of what's going on in the past 2 weeks, but yeah, definitely some extra major things happened that I don't really have, it's not the time to talk about right now, but let's just say my life is doing another one of those things. So I'm actually gonna go get Botox today. That's part of it. I need to feel good. I need to feel cute, especially because I cut all my hair off. I'm really excited about getting back into some Steele stuff. I obviously like my team. Well, I didn't have an assistant anymore, but now I do have an assistant, and it's gonna be great, and I'm really looking forward to it. I keep saying like, oh, it's a new beginning, and then it's like it keeps beginning again. It keeps being a newer beginning, if you know what I mean. Okay, so maybe I'll see you guys at Botox. Okay, love you. Yeah, please. I'm okay with just a water. Guy, which one do you want? The bunnies? We're painting the piano pink. Yeah.
Mommy, I help you.
Yeah, we gotta figure out how to open up the can. This is that's our hot pink we're gonna use. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Done. Good. Whoa.
One, 2, 3. Barbie Dreamhouse. So excited. I just got sent the zip. I think it's called Zip Halo. Is it? I don't know what. Did I make that up? Oh yeah, it is called the Zip Halo. And it's one of these like face tightening, like microcurrent devices. And a makeup artist used it on me the first time I saw it, and then basically I was like, I want this so bad. But of course it's like technology, so not cheap. And they sent it, so that's really fun. And I'm excited to try it out and see how it compares to like the New Face or the, hello? Or the Foreo.
Hello.
Do you want to see your wallpaper for your bathroom?
Hello.
What? It's groovy and pink. You said you wanted to make your house pink. I thought it would. The color, I thought it was gonna be like a little bit too bright and like, but it looks gorgeous. It's very muted and matte. Okay. You know, mid-century, like the house, but it has pink and orange. So I've been waiting for this to really figure out like how the colors are all gonna go together, because this actually, yeah, this turned out to be a lot more like pastel than I thought. So I don't know, I don't think the green is gonna vibe anymore. And then I don't know.
Hi, my name is Gaia. What is mommy doing? What is mommy? I'm gonna tell you something.
Hi.
It's me a day. It's me and my mommy's Mother's Day.
Oh, it's Mother's Day? Yeah.
Yeah, and I did some parrot and dad. Mommy.
Yep.
Mommy, I see mommy. Hey, mama.
Hi, Gaia.
What did it say? Mama.
Did you say goodnight, Gaia? A mess, a mess, a mess.